In today's video, we're going to compare Google Opal versus n8n. These two platforms serve entirely different purposes. According to Google, the Opal platform is an experimental Google Lab solution which enables building, editing, and sharing AI mini applications via the use of natural language and visual editing. On the other hand, n8n is an application used for business process and technical workflow automation with AI features. Now, let's start with Google Opal. Google Opal can be used by individuals who have an idea for a mini application but wish to see the creation of the app without needing to write the code. The solution allows one to describe their idea in a natural language and build a workflow that is further edited and shared with others. In 2026, Google also introduced a solution enabling users to design automated workflows within Opal through text prompts and Gemini's task planning feature. Then we have n8n. According to n8n documentation, n8n is a solution for those users looking for better automation possibilities and more freedom. n8n offers a workflow automation solution that provides business processes automation along with artificial intelligence capabilities. n8n can be particularly useful if your workflow requires custom logic and integration possibilities, or if you want to have better control over the data because of the possibility of self-hosting. So what is the real difference? In general, Opal is aimed at building AI applications faster, whereas n8n works better for developers or other teams dealing with serious internal workflows. Thus, for such users, n8n is probably a preferable long-term solution. On the other hand, if you want to test something quickly or provide non-technical people with the opportunity to create some AI mini application, Opal might suit better. So what is better then? Well, for those who require reliable, flexible, and automated solutions, n8n is the best way to go. When it comes to fast AI experimentation and application creation, Opal by Google has the advantage. In summary, it's Opal when you need speed and n8n when you want control.